What is Severance about? Severance is a science fiction thriller TV show about separating work memories from personal life. In simple words, Severance is about people who have a procedure that splits their mind into two parts, one for work and one for outside life. In the show, employees of a company agree to a process called severance, where their work self innie only remembers things at the office. Their outside self outie only remembers life outside work. This means they do not know what happens in the other part of their life. For example, when they are at work, they forget their real life completely. And when they leave work, they forget everything that happened at the office. The story mainly follows a man named Mark and his coworkers as they begin to question the company and the strange procedure. The show explores deep ideas like work-life balance, identity and memory, control by big companies, freedom and choice. For example, the employees start to realize something is wrong. This means they begin to question the truth behind the system. Severance is known for its mysterious story, unique concept, and suspenseful atmosphere. Here are some more example sentences. Severance has a very original idea. The show mixes science fiction with mystery. Viewers enjoy its deep and thoughtful story. In simple terms, Severance is a show about splitting memories between work and personal life and the problems it creates. Easy way to remember. Severance means separating your work mind from your personal mind.